Alright, what's up, guys? I want to show the difference, or I want to show why you need a pitchfork, okay? If you're doing mulch. If you're using a flat shovel, this is what you take. It's also hard to get your shovel in. So you wind up shaking it and doing this, and you could be here a few minutes trying to get mulch or load mulch or move it around. If you have a pitchfork, you get that. So you probably cut your work 5 times, because just look at that. All right, and to prove the point, I'm going to take 5 shovels, big ones, put them in there, show you, and do the same thing the other way.
1, 2, 3. Let's see how hard this one gets. 4.
5. All right, so there's nothing in there really. All right, so now we're going to do the pitchfork, but I'm going to show you. Make sure there's no cheating. There's nothing in there. I ain't going to edit nothing. Just going to back up.
Alright, so I haven't edited it. Get rid of this. Use pitchforks. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, look.
2 more scoops and she'd be full. I'm telling you right now, it takes me 25 to 30 plus breaks to get that full with a regular shovel. So, all right, so subscribe to the channel, and if this helps you out, hit the like button, because that helps me out, and I hope this helps.